You guys hear my guitar? Is it good? Okay. Alright, so there was a lot of dancing. I'm just gonna take it down a little bit because they happened to put me right after a dancing act. So this first song is actually by Sounders. Numunu Behu Bukakashia. It's an older song. I don't know if you guys know it, but it's become one of my favorites recently. So I just wanted to make the cover for it. So here we go. Kailuli, ikaw ba 챙겼어? 챙겨줬어. 뚫어져서 원년을 꾸이셔. Only you go, 야호지고. Really need more good you told me. Because for the shame in your so more than no, the yanks to do in your door. 야호지고 그때 제목도 Liked it. It's a very soothing song. But okay, so this next one is actually the original of mine. I don't really have like a song title for it yet. It's just it's a song dedicated to my grandpa. He recently passed away, so I made a song. So it's also a Hmong song. I hope you guys all enjoy.
I made a.
Right there. Check, check, check. There you go. Okay. Okay. Trying to think about where we left off. Alright. 눈여 sombre 그대이지 더고 셔져봐야지 서관로져 빼요 비춰지고 가서고 To be the one you put on my Cause only God Dropping your dirty thing But clear the good, the God Look Talk Shut your galaxy got you.